Hi everyone, it's Mike Fenwick here again from RedShark Digital. In this video, we're continuing our series on accessibility principles by talking about the importance of using labels or instructions for form fields and inputs. This is an important issue that's often overlooked, but it can make a big difference for people with disabilities who use assistive technologies like screen readers to access digital content. One of the biggest mistakes that designers make when creating forms is using placeholder text as labels. Placeholder text is usually gray and has low contrast, so it can be hard to read. Plus, it disappears as soon as you start typing, which can make it hard to remember what the fields are for. People who use screen readers usually navigate through forms by pressing the Tab key, and then the label elements are read for each form control. Any non-labeled text like placeholder text is usually skipped over. To make sure that your forms are accessible and easy to use for everyone, it's important to provide clear labels or instructions that don't disappear as soon as the user starts typing. That doesn't mean that you have to clutter your design with unnecessary information, but you should make sure to provide essential cues so that people understand what they're supposed to do. Too much instructional text can be just as much of a problem as too little. So the goal is to confirm that users have enough information to complete their task without friction. By following these tips, you can make sure that your form fields and inputs are properly labeled and easy to use for everyone. Thanks for watching. In our next video series, we'll be talking about alt text and the role it plays in image accessibility. Alt text is a critical aspect of making sure that your website is accessible to people with visual impairments, and it's important to get right. Tune in to our next video to learn more about how to use alt text effectively and ensure that your website is accessible to all users. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.